Hello everyone, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today you will find out how to use a Firestick on a smart TV. Let's go. Connect the Firestick to the power supply. Connect the Firestick to your TV via HDMI. Switch the source to the HDMI Firestick. Open Main TV settings. Turn on HDMI CEC. Tap Home button. Tap Play Pause button. Choose your language. Set up with remote. Choose your Wi-Fi network. Enter password. Open amazon.com/codes. Sign in to your Amazon account. Enter code. Follow the prompts on the screen. Set up the Firestick remote. Follow the prompts on the screen. Done. That's it. Now you know how to use a Firestick on a smart TV. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.